How's it going, YouTube? How's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today, guys, we're talking about another design system. In this case, is IBM design system, which is called Carbon Design System, and we're going to dive into it, talk a little bit much more about it, what you can find inside there, and many other things as well. The same way we did with Google's one, we did with Microsoft's one, we did with Windows one. So we keep it going from there, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I am Carlos Pessane, your UX UI guide. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. I'm your go-to guy. And please follow me on my social medias as well, my Instagram, my TikTok, my LinkedIn, my YouTube here, and my Dribbble. I really appreciate that, guys. And let's jump into this. Okay, guys, so Carbon's IBM is an open source design system for products and digital experiences. With IBM design language as its foundation, the system consists of working code, design tools, and resources, human interface guidelines, and a vibrant community of contributors. Alright, then we go little by little. Let's just right click this, open this. Right click the developer section as well. You can learn a little bit more what is Carbon, that Carbon ecosystem, and of course what interests us the most is if they have a Figma kit. They do. Right click that too. There we go. And of course they have repositories on GitHub, right? They have repositories on GitHub so that it's easier for you to build from the get-go. Right, let's just open these other tabs that we open. You can learn a little bit much more about it. You can check out all these other kits over here for the guidelines, foundational guidance, and many more. Right, let's check out get started. Same thing for the development side. You can check everything out here, right? You have React, Next.js, Vue, Angular tutorials, everything right here. Carbon ecosystem, let's see what it consists of. They have tokens, they have products, they have everything. It's interesting. Let's step over here. There we go. For the Figma, and they have it for Sketch as well. Sketches is similar to Figma. Sketch is much more for Apple products, but Figma is for both Windows and Apple, right? Right, guys, rapidly build beautiful and accessible experiences. The Carbon Kit for Figma contains all resources you need to get started. Overview, you get your overviews over here, you get your libraries. Right, let's check out quite a few. Let's check out one at least. Let's go to Figma. Let's go here. Let's check out the design system. Sorry about that. Alright, let's check out everything here on the design side. Learn about Carbon, get Figma. Let's check out here. From here there's plenty. Oh, you need to request access. Alright, let's see. There we go. So yeah, I've sent access for one of them, but hold on, let's just check out elements. There we go. There we go. We can check out a few things on their proper website. Right, let's check out designing, get started, design kits. Let's see. Okay. Like this, start designing, and then developing, and then migrating. Let's check out the elements. Right, 2x grid. Let's check out right click color, then icons, pictograms, motion, spacing, themes, typography. Right, and then we go to guidelines after that. All right, let's check out one by one. Let's start off with the grid. There's a whole video about it.
The 2x grid is the organizing framework for all of IBM's design. Its foundation is the 8x8 pixel mini unit. Within the grid, columns provide structure and
nice. It basically gives you like an overview of the 2x2 grid system, which is IBM's personal. It's part of their brand guidelines. That's how they do. So you see they do something like this instead of something like that. Let's check out their color anatomy. They have everything going on over there. White, gray, white, gray, white, gray, 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 gray. They have their themes, right? Guys, feel free to check out their videos. They're quite good. I can't unplug it here, otherwise you won't be able to listen to me, but there's a video about it. So check it out. Let's check out icons. There we go. The icons are very minimalist, and if you notice, they have a really distinct cut to it. They're very rectangular, right? So that's just how they design. AI, and then you get alphanumeric. You can download these as well. You can download an SVG, which you can use it both in design and in development, which is a good thing. Right? App catalog. There we go. There's plenty of those. Let's see what else we got here. They have e-commerce, and then we continue to scroll down. They have data. Look at these charts, right? All sorts of charts, data dictionaries, pro modules, heat maps, report, table alias, design and development. And then certificate, cubes, documents. Look at the guys, look at this. You see how I'm scrolling, and then you look into your right. There should be a where is that thing? Oh, it's here in the middle. Right. It hasn't even, some of them haven't even loaded yet. See all of this, guys. See all of this. There's just so many. Look at this chemistry reference, circles, contour edits, and DNAs, and so much more. Right, cool. Let's go for icons. Oh, we have already done those. Pictograms. What are pictograms? Pictograms are for other versions of icons, basically images, right? Am I too big in the sign? Let me put it myself here. Right. Then hard drives. Same thing. Look at this. You just scroll on endless amounts of data. Icons and pictograms. Icons are SVG format. Pictograms are much more images illustrating exactly what it is that you are presenting on. You'll find these on very minimalist websites. Not every website has both. Some websites have both, but other websites don't have both. Even systems, even other things as well. Right, big data, clouds. Right, really nice. Look at this. It just keeps on going. Right? So you can always download the motion. Of course, there's a video, motion overview. Let's just check this out. I know you guys can't hear it, but
Motion brings our work to life. It communicates, guides us forward, and demands focus. IBM's approach to motion design embraces dichotomy, man and machine, organic and engineered. This duality has been distilled down to two modes: productive motion and expressive motion. Productive motion creates a sense of efficiency and precision, while expressive motion delivers enthusiastic and vibrant movement. Together, they create an essential dynamic and rhythm that combines the intuitive and the calculated, the flexible and the fixed. From timing and paths to choreography and consistency, motion creates engaging experiences that move us toward meaning, insight, and clarity.
I know you guys didn't hear that, but that was nice, right? They just basically talk about motion and how they design, what is motion used for, motion styles, easing in, very simple linear, elastic, bouncing type of motion. It just goes through how they animate their things, right? All right, where are we? We're in motion. Let's go on to spacing. Spacing, which are margins and paddings, right? They go in even numbers, which is a very good thing. Even in typography, it's always supposed to be in even numbers. It's much easier that way. For example, let's say your icons here at the bottom, right? Where are we? Oh, there we are. Oh, there we are. They're at the bottom. They're supposed to be like no more than 24 pixels overall, right? So that it becomes clickable. That's one thing, right? So we'll get to typography in a bit. But spacing, yeah, same thing. Margin, padding, they have their own rules and guidelines for you to use. Themes. Customizing a theme. There we go. We can customize theme. We have tokens, we have color, we have spacing, we have typography, global, everything. Everything there. Everything over there. And then we get themes. Themes, almost same concept. And then let's go to typography. Oh, there we go. Typography. IBM Plex Sans, IBM Plex Serif, and IBM Plex Mono. They have like three. They use all three of them. They're so nice. Right, semi-bold, regular, and light for all three. They have italic as well. They have neutral color. Right, so they have certain ways of the way that they do their things usually. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. My name is Pessane, for those of you that is the first time coming across my channel, and I'm a YouTuber, UX UI designer YouTuber, right? So guys, please check out my work. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. I'm your go-to guy. Please also follow me on my social medias, my Instagram, my TikTok, my LinkedIn, Dribbble as well, and of course here on YouTube. It's always nice to hear from you guys. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys on the next episode, where we're going to dive into another design system, because the whole point of this channel, guys, is to become a library, a timeless library. Whenever you need to see fonts, you come here, you find font inspirations, you come and find where to get your fonts, where to get your inspirations for websites, where to get your inspirations for mobile apps, anything of that sort. You come here to my channel, and then you'll find everything you need. It's a timeless library. So guys, without any further ado, thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Take care.